like it's protected, wasn't it? Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't see no mud there. But
now this down through here.
See this?
Yeah, this is a different story.
Yeah.
See that big berm they got up? Look at all this flooded.
Shoot, my goodness. Look at the road through here, guys. I'm trying not to go real fast, but to show you. Oh my goodness. See this?
Look at there.
Oh, look at that house. Wow.
Wow.
Oh no. Look at the road. There's still water and mud and stuff over here, but look at the road, guys. Look where it came through here. Wow. It broke that fence down over there. I seen a fence down there. Look here at the mud they scraped up.
They've had to bring a grader
through
here and scrape the mud out of the road.
Goodness. They still got icicles on the cliffs, guys. Look.
Look at your river down there.
Try not to move real fast. What's that in the middle of it right down there?
A big tote floating down the river.
Is that what it is? Hey, in one of our videos we had a car. There was a
casket one.
Looks like a tote, a long tote. One of those long. Ooh, law. Lord. Bless
this is Highway 292, Kentucky 292 is
thanks,
the road number.
Pretty. That's pretty. Wow. It got right up the back of this one. Look at this. I bet it got into their basement a little bit then. Whoa, look here. Look at this, guys. Oh my. I'll show the water over here too. See that?
Now, on the other side, there's West Virginia. We're in Kentucky, of course. On the other side of that river, West Virginia.
We need to check. Yeah, we need to check Hubert Bay's, the pawpaw trees. Not Hubert Bay, but pawpaw trees.
And that right there takes you over to West Virginia. Let's go to Matewan.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got there.
Ooh, it's flooded as you can see. Is there anybody behind you?
No.
Let's see. Oh goodness, their car's dinged. Wow. What do you mean?
Yeah.
Really?
Cop.
Oh, is it a cop? Ooh, it's just a little Oh my. Oh my goodness. Our son will be proud.
Yeah. Son and daughter.
Yep. Yep. Well, I'm glad ARH didn't get hit.
The flood wall protected them. And then that big berm there around it.
Yeah, that was good. Okay, here we go. Now,
We're on 119 coming. West Virginia's behind us.
yeah.
We're coming up on Pikeville straight ahead, of course, but
Second.
we're going to turn up here on at A-Flax
Yeah.
and go up
Ooh.
toward, like Sheila said, Stringtown,
Yeah.
where Uriah and Aunt Betty McCoy's house is. And after we pass it, we'll go all the way to the end and cross over a bridge, and we'll come out over in Sprague, West Virginia. And then we'll go up and check, see what happened in Matewan. Now, Matewan has a flood wall now.
Yeah.
Matewan, you could pee in the river before and Matewan would flood. But now with that flood wall, they should have been pretty well protected, wouldn't they, baby?
Yeah, should have been.
We'll see.
That's why I was wondering about pawpaw trees.
All of this over through here flooded.
Yeah.
Big Lots,
Top of it.
Long Johns,
Wendy's.
yeah, all that. Oh yeah, Wendy's got a foot of mud in it.
Yep, it's all flooded, as you can see, guys. And then up here is right here is your, what'd you call it? A-Flax, I guess?
Yeah, this is A-Flax. This is 292 again. And takes us over to West Virginia,
Okay.
where we're going to go back up through
Are they
Matewan,
stopping people or?
providing the road's not blocked. Now, this here has flooded, of course. You can see where you're at.
Yeah, look here, guys. See all that back through there? That's flooded. And then over through there is
Look
flooded.
at your railroad track, Sheila.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? Oh, we go through there? Wow.
Okay.
Ooh, sorry, baby.
The
See all
river,
that?
yeah, the river will be on my side as we go up through here.
Ooh, wow.
Anybody's lost a basketball, we've passed about 100 today.
Okay, here we go, baby. Here's your new battery there. Sorry, the other one went out. This one went up. See, you can see the mud through here. Got a truck behind us coming up. Shoo.
Yeah, this always floods. This is right here. Let me have it right here for a minute.
Okay, here you go.
Over there's West Virginia. There's the Tug River right here below us. Now, it's down a lot because this is where it was at yesterday.
Yeah.
This would have been part of the river yesterday. Now up here, you're going to get to see here in a minute when we get to Uriah McCoy's house why they moved Uriah McCoy's house from where it was to where it is now, because once upon a time, and it still does, it would flood his house every time.
Now, did that wash something off?
No, that's been washed out for a while, but that was a bridge at one time.
Ooh.
And over here on the side, Sheila, you can show you where
We're
that used to be
camouflaged.
That's a coal mine. Coal bank up
Yeah.
there.
I don't know if you all can.
Used to be the face to a coal mine at one time, looks like.
Yeah. You think anybody will spot us since we're camouflaged?
I don't know.
Or do we? Maybe we can blend in.
Are they doing cleaning this out? Yep.
Looks like it. See it? That car is.
I believe that's a church.
It was. Look at that. Look through
Look here, guys, how it's all.
Look here. Through here should be safe. People should have been safe.
Look at all the coal gongs down there, plumb full of coal. Look at there, since President Trump's back in.
Wow.
Those are coal gongs, and every one of them looks like about 6 tracks wide, and every one of them full of coal.
Wow.
Look at that. Thank the Lord. Down here, guys, that house. That trailer. Wow. Look up through here.
Hey, was there something there? Just
Yeah, it's
sticks
washed
there.
it. Nuh-uh, there's a power pole. It's washed it off.
No.
Mobile home where a house one
Oh no.
was once there.
Oh my Lanta, look.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Gosh,
Look at the water coming out of the mountains.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Bless their hearts. It could have just been all the mountains though, really.
That tree's ready to fall. It had fallen. It was just caught on that line, wasn't it?
Ooh, yeah.
TV line.
Well, it might be why, you know, I'm sure half of the... Whoa, look at all this stuff here. Oh. Power outages, of course. Oh, look at that pole leaning. Whoa. Phew. Poor Pike County.
Yep. Let me see it.
Our home.
That wind to probably get it, but
I could use it. The water was up here, look at the road.
yeah.
The water come up through here, of course. Whoa! Look at the mud. Whoa, wait, whoa, wait.
Oh, Lord.
Okay,
We
wait.
almost went, we
Okay.
almost went right over in there, didn't we?
Alright.
Huh? Woo!
Okay.
That almost scared me.
Scared the bejeebies
I
out
know
of
it
me.
did. I could tell by your voice. Goodness sakes, it was guiding us right that way, wasn't it?
You had no control.
If I would have hit that any faster,
Yeah,
we would have been in the river, baby.
Okay, honey, no more mudding.
If I would have hit that
Y'all, no more mudding.
faster than I did, we would have been in the river.
Oh my goodness.
No doubt in my mind.
Oh my goodness.
Even the guardrail was down there. There was no guardrail.
Look over through there, all the mud.
That was pretty stupid of you to do that.
Yes, it was, dear.
You've been over here, you've been beating my knee to death, wasn't you?
Oh my
Stop
goodness.
it, stop it.
Oh my goodness.
Well, I bet I don't do that anymore.
Thank you.
Now looky here.
Thank you.
Here's where Uriah's house used to be. Around this next curve.
Around this, yeah, I was gonna say.
But here's what it
Look
looks
at
like.
here, 3.
Oh, show 'em.
See them there, guys? I don't know if you can see them. There they are. That makes another set. We saw some earlier sitting out here eating.
How much it's gone down since yesterday, guys. That was up here on the hill in the road yesterday.
Wow.
And there it is already cleared out that much.
Wait, you see that field over there?
That's where Uriah's house was.
Coming up here. Look at this. It's on your side, sorry.
Now, guys, right around that curve there is Uriah McCoy's house.
Yeah.
And here's where they moved it from. And now you can see why. Because yesterday that was a river.
Yep.
Here's his house.
There it is.
That is my great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother, Uriah and Aunt Betty McCoy. And that house used to sit right down here, and they moved it up here on this hill.
Thank the Lord. Look here. Look, he's got a big old tree down over here. Look. The water come all the way out through here. Up there at the graveyard. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow, that house was on fire. Or it burnt.
Yeah, it's got a... I said that yesterday. How is it that more houses don't burn, didn't I?
Yes.
I said yesterday,
we were talking about that. How come
houses get underneath water with their electric boxes and water's over top of the house and you'll still see porch lights on and stuff.
Look at this. Wait, can't see. Okay. Oh, Malanta. Oh, Malanta. Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Phew.
Sheila's got that heavy foot when she hits the mud. Look here, I
Hey,
ain't about to do that.
y'all know he's fibbing.
Look here, guys, no guardrails, and I got ready to hit that mud hole there again. Look
Baby,
down.
Are you trying to put us in?
That down there's what it is.
Are you trying to put us in the river?
If we slide any more than we was, there's where we're at. That'd be scary, wouldn't it?
Oh my goodness. Oh my. I say, oh my land, I heard my niece the other day. She said she rode the slingshot, her and her mom, and it was adorable. She kept saying Mother Moses. ride the slingshot. I'm scared of that. Anything I can't scream on that takes my breath away or whatever, I don't ride.
We're coming up on West Virginia right here in just a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
And we will head back up toward Matewan.
Okay.
And we'll go from Matewan up through Blackberry.
Yeah. Well, you know, I want to stop by the pawpaw trees, of course.
We're going to stop by the pawpaw tree. We'll stop by the cabin, or at least drive by it. We'll
ay, ay, ay.
Go up by Blackberry, where I was born and raised.
Yeah. Hopefully you can get up party. It usually floods too. Okay. Now, okay, we're doing good now. Nope, more mud. Okay, be careful. No guardrail.
Well, you talk about a video going viral.
As if we go in the creek.
We go over that hill.
Yeah. Well, that's not a creek.
Go over. No, that's not a creek.
Yeah. I gotta have it calling it a
No
creek,
means.
but no, the river. Well, you know, the best thing to do is to drive slowly. Control. Slow control.
Now you'll get to show the river here.
Okay. See the debris up here? Let's see. There we go.
Oh,
Ooh! Trees! See, this went down a lot.
oh,
A little bit closer. Guess I don't know.
down tremendous.
Yeah.
How loud this thing is.
I know. Sorry, guys.
Well, she may be playing music over most of this.
Yeah.
We busted our muffler, run over a tree on the way up, had floated out in the road. We were up on it before we knew it.
Well,
I think it took her whole exhaust off.
oh, snapples.
Owning a Hummer is like owning a boat. Bust out another 1,000. All right, guys, we'll pick you up in Matewan.
Alrighty. Okay. Here you go, guys. This is the golf course, as you can see. Let me roll this down just a little bit more. See that?
Tell them what this golf course here does.
It's over in, covers 2 states.
Yeah.
So, covers 2 states. I gotta roll the window up. Mud's coming in.
This golf course has a bridge, a little swinging bridge for the golf carts to go across.
Yep.
And you golf in Kentucky and West Virginia.
I know, that's cool.
We're actually in West Virginia right now.
Ooh, la. Yeah, it got flooded, didn't it? I think so. We just didn't see it. Yeah. Oh well.
Yeah.
But
it goes over in 2 states. The golf course does.
Snapples, did that flood?
Yeah.
Oh my Lanta, look at
that power
that.
plant. That's why they ain't got no power here.
Oh my goodness.
Look how high the water got up.
Wow. Oh wow, bless their hearts. Look at here. Look here, guys. Good night. Oh no. Look.
Sheila and I showed you this river a while back when we were doing the Battle of Grapevine, and we walked out on the creek and showing how low the river was, how you could walk across it. And we said, but in a matter of minutes, when the rain comes in, this is the roaring mighty tug.
Yep.
It can go from a mouse to a tiger, and somebody's cabbaging on some drains that's washed off. They're getting them, ain't they?
Oh, my lantern, that's not nice. I didn't know if it had, just recently or...
I don't know, but it's...
Yeah.
Looks like it's burned. I don't remember it
Goodness.
looking like that last time we were through here.
Oh, my. I believe they were spared.
They brought
Thank
a
you,
camper
Lord.
in there.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, they were parking a camper to stay in while they cleaned the house, I guess.
Oh, here's somebody's little kiddie pool. Look at all the debris on the fence over here. Oh. Ooh. There's mud through there. Guardrails tore up here. Did you see that? Wow. Look at this. Mud piled up right here. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Matewan. And look. Oh. Oh my. Tires standing up.
Matewan football field.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, this is awful.
Matewan Tigers. My mother was a cheerleader for Matewan Tigers back in the 50s.
Yeah? Law, I love it.
The high school was up here on the other side of town then.
Yeah.
This is Matewan Middle School now. I think it's actually closed down.
I was going to say, it looks like it might be closed.
Magnolia High School, but I don't think none of this is open anymore.
Oh.
See, that's what they should take, things like that, and let the homeless, rather than being outside and being out in the weather and the elements. I've always said, why don't they take vacant hotels and schools and give it, supplement them with government money and let them use that for the homeless to stay in, especially in the winter months.
That's a great idea, baby.
Yeah, I've got a bunch of them, just nobody listens to them.
Oh, look, I'm glad their little playground didn't wash off. It's muddy, though, a little bit. Yeah, the fence is torn down there. Their tennis courts are all muddied over.
And you may just play music on
I will on some of it. Some of it.
to let them just watch the view without having to.
Well, it's already going to be about an hour movie,
That's okay.
just
They
about.
won't mind it. The ones that want to watch it, watch it.
Or we could break it up in part 1 and part 2.
No, it'll be there for. Look at that.
Oh, there's a
All this.
RV back over the top off. Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Oh,
they've all
Lord
fun
bless
for
them,
you.
Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so sad.
guys.
Yep.
Yep.
That would be it.
Coming up on Matewan.
It washed a lot of the bank off over there too. You can see it where it crumbled down. So let's see what we got here. Yep.
Here's Matewan. There's the Matewan Bridge. In '77, I was in the military, in the Marines, and I come home from Florida, and the Matewan Bridge had washed out. It took the whole bridge out.
Ooh, wow.
They brought the Army engineers in here, and they had put up a temporary bridge until they got this one built. But
looky here,
now
buddy.
There's your flood wall. Now there's what your flood wall does.
For this
Matewan used to flood with anything. Look at it here.
Well, thank the Lord.
Matewan is perfect.
Yep.
No
Looks
water,
good.
no water came in here. Sheila, reckon they ever got that?
She said, remember, it had to be a hot day, a warm day before they could put it up.
Yeah, let's stop and glance anyway.
Well, we can stop and check it out. I love the wall here. The artwork that someone did on this wall here is amazing.
There's Hatfield Street. Here's McCoy.
Well, if you can see it or not. Sun's
There's
in
the flood
eyes.
wall. Show them the. See, the gates are shut. They've still got the gates
Yeah.
shut on it.
Oh, really?
That flood wall kept Matewan from
It kept them safe.
being
Thank
flooded.
the Lord.
I'm gonna glance at this real fast. You
Okay.
can give that a break if you want.
Okay. Here we go. There we go. Whoa, look at the water there. We're going up that high.
That's the Tug River. We're going across to
Oh, this flooded.
yeah, we're not gonna go down through there. River Road will be a mess.
Yeah. Yeah. And up here is where the pawpaw trees are. I was wondering if the that little platform, if it was still there, if it washed off.
Oh, that's a good question, babe.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That little, for lack of better words, I don't know what it's called.
Looks like it's washed off, don't it?
I don't know, I can't tell. I haven't been able to look down through there to see.
Nope, still there.
Is it?
Oh, you can't get down through here though.
Oh, look.
See the platform?
Yeah, it's still there. The platform's still there. I was wondering if it washed off or not. Ooh.
They coming.
Okay, guys, look at this. Sorry, my battery went dead.
Not only did it flood on Kentucky side, guys, but over there's West Virginia. That's West Virginia over there.
See what that's about?
Oh yeah, this here, it always washes the road out.
Yep.
It's a wonder it didn't take the highway with it. This time it didn't. Usually they have to rebuild this.
I was going to say, there was one part of the road. Something somewhere that was breaking off.
Right over there is Hubert Bay McCoy's grave where he's buried at.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, gotcha. See all the mud here, guys, through here? Oh my goodness. Wait.
I know. We're gonna end up in the ditch. If you keep driving like this.
Hey guys, I'm in the passenger seat. Look.
Look here.
Look, there's proof he's driving.
Oh, look down through here.
Ain't that crazy, y'all?
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Gonna get splashed.
Look here, too.
baby, so we can.
Yeah, we ain't in no hurry.
No, so we can show people Pike County.
We are now in McCoy, Kentucky. McCarr. McCoy. Years and years ago, when I was a deputy and a detective back here, we was having a road check with one of the state troopers, and come midnight, dispatch hollered at them for a status. Always at midnight, state police does a status on their troopers to see where they're at. And all they do is give their location. It was a new dispatcher, and the dispatcher hollered and asked, it was Mike Crawford, who it was, 557 I think was his unit number. They said 557, status for the log, or location for the log, and he said McCoy.
Oh Lord, I know what you're gonna say.
Yeah, dispatcher hollered back and said, I know you're in your car, Mike. What's your 1020? He said, no, McCoy, Kentucky. It's where I'm at.
She didn't understand.
Oh, it was a guy, I think. Dispatcher was a guy at the time.
Okay. But he thought he was saying my car.
Yeah, my car. He said
he's saying my car.
They said, what's your 1020 for the log? He said, my car. He said, I know you're in your car. What's your 1020?
There's a sign down here that says McCoy pigs.
Every bit of this here flooded, guys. If you can't tell, every bit of this.
They've been mudding.
Honey, I don't think you can keep from it if you're on this road.
Yeah. Yeah. See the water over here? Oh, snap! You can't see.
Okay, they will be right now. It always does that one last stroke. If it would quit when you turn it off, then
it's all good.
clean.
No worries.
But it does that one last strip.
Ooh, Lord.
We're almost done, guys. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go up Blackberry Creek.
See that?
Look over there, Sheila.
Yeah, I was showing them the car, but oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look, they came right up through there. Bless their hearts. Yeah? They might not have flooded it, did they?
Oh yeah, that always floods.
Oh, there you go. See how they got this trailer up high, guys?
Here's where the researcher lives.
Yeah, I bet that. You reckon that flooded up through there too?
Yeah, that's just a little creek up there, but I'm sure it comes out of it.
Yeah. Well, I know Hardy does from the.
This here backs up from the river.
Yeah.
That's why this floods. This backs up. It runs into the Tug River, and it can't run. So when it can't get off into the river, the river's higher than this is.
Yeah.
Then it starts backing up through here.
Yes, goodness.
So these creeks, they come out of it. Now, as you get on up through here, it's not backwaters. It's actually just the creeks aren't big enough to handle the water flow coming out of these hollers.
Oh, that there looks like it's muddy.
Well, the thing about it is here, they still had snow on the ground, looks like, Sheila.
Some places I did see snow.
Yeah.
Because I'm looking and thinking.
We don't have that down there. They had snow.
Yeah.
And you take that snow and then rain too, and it melting.
Right.
All that snow turned into water.
Yeah, y'all were supposed to get 3 to 6 more inches. So is Pike County. 3 to 6.
Right through here, it always flooded good. Bruce Ison's store right here.
What about your Uncle Lou's?
No, it never did.
They get them?
It never has that I know of.
Okay, that's what I was going to say.
I think they sold that now.
Yeah, I'm sure they did. See the snow there, guys, on the... But I didn't know if it had ever flooded when they lived there. Let's see what I got here. It's all good. It's all good.
Then you guys that follow us may be used to this area. Right here on the right is Preacher Ann's Hatfield Cemetery. Up here on the right is the replica cabin of Preacher Ann's Hatfield.
Right there's the sign.
We'll pass it again here in a minute when we get ready to go back to Pike. We're going to go up Blackberry for right now and just see if there's any devastation up through here.
So far, so good, though.
Yeah, remember once before it flooded all this here.
Yeah.
Took this curve
See how
out.
they did the retaining wall thing here on the creek there? So that helped, looks like.
Definitely.
Keep that from flooding. So it must not have flooded through here then. I really don't know. Did it ever get out of the banks? Wow.
Now up through here is where I was raised from a baby up till I was 17 and went in the Marines. Then when I come home from the Marines, this was part of the area that I patrolled and took care of. This is Blackberry Creek. This is where the Hatfield McCoy feud. A lot of the happenings took place.
Wow. Yep.
Guys, there's hardly no flat land here. This is mountains, so you have to find a wide spot at the bottom of the holler.
Yeah.
Put something there to live in. There's not a whole lot of room here. You won't see a lot of cattle grazing and things like that because people uses it for homes.
Yep.
If there's a level spot, there's probably going to be a home on it.
Yep. Oh Lordy, that building looks like it's falling in.
That building's been there since I was a kid, baby.
It looks like it was leaning this way though.
Since I was a little boy.
Oh goodness. Well, see this? They still got snow on top of their cars,
yeah,
guys.
Wait till we come back out. You see, look on top of that roof here, little shit.
Yeah. See that? Yeah, they still got snow here. I'm sure the head of Narrows Branch will have snow in it too.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Let's see your phone. Because I always told him you had to pipe the sunshine in where I lived. So look how wet these rocks are. The water's coming off.
This is Blackberry Creek.
Yep.
There's a Blue Spring Free Will Baptist Church up there on the hill where I was baptized at. That was a different church then. It's been rebuilt,
Yeah.
but in the old church that was there is where I was baptized and saved. That's where all of my family goes to church. A lot of them's moved away now and passed away,
Yeah.
but that was always the family church. We're coming up on the Blackberry Grade School now. Guys, it don't look like it's flooded up through here.
No, not at all. That's what I was looking at. I think Blackberry is safe.
Your hands are shaking off, baby. Facing the road right there. Old Devil Anse Hatfield.
Yeah. I don't think I got it.
That's the monument I always get mad about. They got Randall McCoy facing the hillside. Randall McCoy from Blackberry and from Kentucky. Devil Anse Hatfield from West Virginia, and a murderer. They got Devil Anse Hatfield facing the highway for people to see when they go by. Randall McCoy, a victim and a Kentucky resident, facing the hillside. People wonder why I get upset at Pike County tourism. Here's where I was raised at, guys. The home place is gone now, but this is called Left Hand Fork of Blackberry.
And you see that yellow pump house right there. This is it right here.
That yellow pump house out there was my grandmother's. That's where she kept her canned food at. These mountains you see here, there's not a mountain within eye seeing that I haven't been on, that I haven't climbed as a boy.
Yeah.
There's not a rock in that creek that I haven't been, well, probably not now.
Yeah, well, they probably washed it out. They got new ones.
But this is where I grew up. We would walk down here to this little country store right here. This was called Farley's Grocery. It's closed now, but we'd go in there and get our bubble gum and our candy bars, and that's where we'd walk to.
Wow.
We'd go down here around this curve is the Big Rock.
We'll see if I can see it.
Still there or not. There was a big rock here, and that's what it was called, was Big Rock. And we'd come there and fish. And that was as far as we were supposed to go as kids. But
right here?
Up back there. But of course, you know kids, so we'd come all the way down here to the fish pond. And we wouldn't have it no other way till we had to jump in that fish pond and swim. And try not to get caught by the game warden. He didn't like nobody swimming in the fish pond.
Now here is Blackberry School, right?
Blackberry School, right up here on this hill. As we go around this curve is the cave. Look how they done their fence over there like we used to have.
Yeah.
At ours. But right here around this curve is where the cave was at that Asa Harmon McCoy was hiding in. That West Virginia Hatfields killed him. Alright guys, Sheila and I are going to head back to Casey County.
Okay.
To Liberty. Thanks for joining us.
If come up on something else, we'll connect you.
I'm sure we probably will, don't you?
Yeah, do you want to go ahead and do the ending then, or just wait?
You can, but you'll have to move it.
I'll have to.
Yeah, go ahead and do it if you want.
Okay. Hi guys, we are now at Toller, Kentucky. Oh, that sun. It usually floods through here.
This is Hatfield Funeral Chapel, and just like Rogers Funeral Home, they usually flood when the water gets up here.
It doesn't look like it though, does it?
Well, you might want to look again, because it's... I don't know.
I can't tell. See, the grass doesn't look muddy or nothing. So maybe it didn't flood through here. Well, I don't know. There was some...
See how they parked their cars up here?
In case it flooded.
Yeah, that means it flooded down there, so.
Yeah. Okay. Got after this car you can go, baby. So now we're headed home. Oof. Doesn't look like this place flooded, so that was good. There we go. There's just some sunlight. Alright guys.
Let me put it on you.
Hi guys. Hope you're doing well this evening. Thanks for watching and come along on our trip today. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. God bless.
What do you think about it?
Pitiful. Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful is all I can say. Lord, please watch over everybody here. They all need help.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.